Good morning student. Today we will discuss about Microsoft Access 2010. What is data? Data is information which we enter into the computer like text, picture, audio, video, etc. And information is the processed and meaningful data. What is a database? A database is a collection of organized data. It can be easily accessed, managed and updated. There are two types of database, flat file database and relational database. Flat file database designed around a single table, whereas relational database store data in several tables. Advantages of database. Reduce data redundancy. Data redundancy means the duplications of data. DBMS reduce the errors during updation and increase consistency. User can access data easily and it improve data security. DBMS ensure greater data integrity. We can draw information from the database without spending much time using simple queries. Provide backup and recovery facilities. Let's learn how can create. Good morning student. Today we will discuss about Microsoft Access. To start Microsoft Access, click on Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office, then select Microsoft Access. To create blank database, you need to select blank database. You can also create the templates. If you want to select templates, then select any kind of templates which you want, like this student templates. Write the name of templates here. Student, remember that if you want to use templates, then you have need to internet connection or downloaded templates. Like this you can create templates. Now we will create blank database. To create blank database, click on the blank database. Click on create button. This is your access screen. Now we will discuss about the component of MS Access. This is title bar. This is menu bar. These are the ribbons. This is navigation pane which shows the tables queries you have created. This is tabbed bar. This is taskbar. This is status bar. And this is the navigation button. You can search the content of any object. Now we will learn how can we enter a record or in the MS Access. Click of any cell, write information like as student name. Click on the tab button to move the next column. Like this you can create the columns. To move to the next row, you have need to press the Ctrl plus M key. You can move the next row and you can enter record here. Now we will discuss about the element of the table. Student, listen, this is a column which shows particular field. This is a row which shows a record of any student, and this combined shows the record. These are the elements of a table. Now we will discuss how can we work with tables. To create a new tables, click on the create tab, and this is table group. Select the table. Like this you can create new tables. You can enter record here in the same way. Like this, select any of the column. So student, you can enter record one by one like this. Student, now we will learn create a table using the design view. Click on create button. Click on table design. This is the table using the design view. Here enter the field name like as student name, English marks, Hindi, science, maths, so on. Here you have need to specify the data types. That access allows to specify the data types which you want to enter in record, like as student name is text which is entered in characters form, and marks you will enter in numbers form. That's why select the numbers. Hindi marks also numbers, science After selecting the data types, you have need to enter the record, enter the informations. To enter informations, click on the view tab, select dataset view. Firstly, you have need to select save the table. Click on OK, and here you can enter the informations like this: name, like this you will enter the record. After entering the record, you can select the primary keys of a table. To select a primary key, click on the field which you want to specify the key. To select primary key, click on the column which you want to select primary key, which identity key, and click on the view tab and select the design view. Here you can see the primary key option and click on the primary key. Click ID button and click on primary key button. You can see this is a primary key. Now we will learn sorting option. Sorting means arranging the record in ascending or descending order. Select the column which you want to sort and click on this sorting option. You can arrange ascending or descending. To arrange in ascending order, click on A to Z option. Like this we can arrange the marks in ascending orders. You can also arrange in descending orders. Next option is filter. To filtering, click on these options available in home tab. Click on this button, filter. Select the columns which you want to insert and unselect the columns which you want to hide and click on OK button. Like this you can filter the tables, and after filtering you want to complete tables, then click on toggle filter buttons. So this is your third chapter. Watch this video and do practice for the better understanding.